Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful Google Chrome trick that feels almost like magic. Searching using just an image. This is super useful for students, researchers, and online shoppers. With this, you can find where an image came from, identify objects, or even discover similar products in seconds. So there are actually two easy ways to do this. If the image is already on a website, here's what you're going to do. For this example, I am using Wikipedia. Now simply right-click on any image and choose Search this image with Google Lens. And just like that, Google Lens opens on its side and shows you similar images, sources, and related results instantly. Pretty cool, right? Now if the image is saved on your PC, it's just as easy. Open a new tab, look for the camera icon inside the search bar and click it. From here, you can either click Upload a file and select the image from your PC, or drag and drop your image into the box. In seconds, Chrome will show you visual matches, similar images, and useful information about what you uploaded. So instead of searching with words, now you can search with just an image. And that's it. Thanks for watching.